What's up, everybody? For today's video, we're gonna do TNA's take on a pizza dough from scratch.
We've already made pizza. You could go check that video out. And what we're gonna do to this pizza dough, I feel like it's gonna make it even better.
Cue the intro. Okay, to start, we got about a cup of warm water. Needs to be between 100 and 105 degrees, no more than 110, because if not, you'll kill the yeast. So we're gonna put in the 1 packet of yeast, and then we're gonna add about half a teaspoon of sugar. So he's only going to put half of that, and then we're going to save half for later. Now, just stir this up until all this dissolves, and then we're going to set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes, and this is what you want your yeast to look like. You see the difference from like where it starts to foam? That means it's active. We're good. So we're going to go on to the next step. We're going to start by adding 3 cups of flour into a bowl.
And next we're gonna add like a tablespoon of salt.
Now we add our water and yeast. Just pour it all in there. And we're going to start to stir this up.
Actually, before we stir it, we're gonna add like 2 teaspoons of oil. Then some Italian seasoning. Of course, TNA. Now mix. We chose to use a spatula. Just keep stirring till combined. Once it looks like this, we're gonna transfer it to our countertop. We're gonna add our dough to a floured surface and knead it for about 5 minutes.
So after about 2 minutes, I decided I'm gonna put the youngster to do the hard work, and he's gonna finish this off for another couple minutes.
Knead it till it's smooth like this, and we're gonna put it in a bowl. We're gonna spray the bowl with some olive oil. Add the dough, spray more olive oil on top, and then flip it over. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and then put it somewhere warm. We'll check back on it in about an hour. It's been a little over an hour. We're gonna leave it for another 10 minutes and see how big it gets.
After it rises, you wanna give it a little punch in the middle. And then we're gonna take it out and roll it all on our pan.
I made this pizza sauce with some tomato sauce and some other seasonings. If you want to know what these seasonings are, go check out our pizza video. We're gonna dump this out on our cutting board and see how much we're gonna use.
So this batch made an easy 14-inch pizza. We stayed with that much left over, which is gonna be an easy 10, 12-inch pizza. So this batch made 2 pizzas. We're gonna poke some holes in this with a fork, and then we're gonna pre-bake it for about 5 minutes at 425 before we top it. So yeah, just poke it with a fork, just like that. And then into your preheated oven for about 5 minutes.
With the rest, we're gonna freeze it so we could use it another time. We let this bake for about 5 minutes. Now we put on the sauce. Instead of using a spoon, we're going to do this. Now for the toppings that I want. First, we're going to start with shredded mozzarella, then some shredded Kobe Jack. Now, lots of pepperoni. That looks good. Now we're going to top it with some New Mexico green chili. That looks good, and I want to top it with a mixture of both cheeses on the top. Now for our secret, we're going to add some shredded Parmesan on top before it goes in the oven. In the oven at 450 for about 10 to 15 minutes.
So this is what we ended up with. It took about 20 minutes, but the edges look good. Now let's check underneath. It feels good. And that's a major quality. Aiden, you'll learn that later in life. But we're gonna let this cool off before we cut it, and then we'll try it. All right, now time to taste.
That's awesome.
Now, what about just the crust? See how we did.
That crust for sure makes the pizza better than last time. That crust is so good.
All right then. See you next time.
See you next time.